Normally I work with, I try to work on my scenes with, with some people, with coaches and all that. Spend some time with our director, of course. I think the most important thing was for me to try and understand the mind of this girl. I'm sure you've read the book, many of you. She's always been a complicated character. Like, is she manipulative? Is she like that? Does she know what she's doing? What are her reasons? So we've spent many a night, me and Gattu and Adi, also discussing, trying to give our, a life, trying to give our interpretation to this character.
The story is about their love and the torment that their love experiences, and of course the torment of each of our characters. So I'm sure they'll get connected to the film through the emotion of love, which I'm sure, like Katrina said, everybody feels. And everybody feels passion, especially when you're younger, you feel a lot more passion. Yeah. So I guess everybody who has love and passion in their heart is going to connect to the lead pair and to the film.
Absolutely zero similarity between Haider and Fitur, other than the fact that they both star the lovely Tabu. Yeah. But there's no other similarity. This is a movie about love, and it's a love story. And it's about heartbreak. सबसे पहले मैं मिस्टर रॉनी स्क्रूवाला को शुक्रिया देना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे बहुत इनकरेज किया इस फिल्म को बनाने के लिए, और फिर उन्होंने इस प्रोजेक्ट और अपनी कंपनी को उनके सबसे बेहतरीन और होनहार एसोसिएट सिड रॉय कपूर के हाथ सौंपा, एंड हमने साथ में मिलकर इस फिल्म को बनाया है. कुछ 3 साल लग गए, बहुत मेहनत, बहुत जान लगा के इस फिल्म को हमने कंप्लीट किया, और 12 तारीख को रिलीज हो रही है. I'd like to call on stage the cast of the film. We'll start with Tabu, Aditya and Katrina. No, the characterization didn't change at all actually. But if Rekha ji had played it, she would have played it her own way. And Tabu has played it in her style and got into the skin of the character and made it her own. And with Tabu, she's like water. You can put her in a container of any shape, and she'll just get around it and make it her own. And I know, like when she says that she can't describe it, I don't think I've worked with her, and I also can't describe it. But her every take that she puts out has such fluidity to it, and it's different, and you don't know which one to pick. So, she throws 3 of those takes in, and then you say, I'll just keep all 3 right now, and then let's just get on, and then she gives you 3 more. And then on the edit table, you sit here, iske saath jodte hain, usko iske saath jodte hain. And then you just kind of, she's so generous, yeah.
So I think the hardest bit of acting that I had to do in the film was pretending that Tabu is my mother, because she does not look like my mother from any angle. She's like a friend. So I said, come on, I can't call you. But I've actually also, I really enjoyed the days that we shot together in the film. Just we spent a lot of time talking, and I don't know how much you've interacted with Tabuji, but she's really one of the warmest people and completely so down to earth and genuine. So actually, those conversations are some of my warmest memories from the film. The connection between Tabuji and me having red hair is obviously, it's meant, I think there's kind of is a subtle thought behind it that, like mother, like daughter. So there is that trying to kind of become, in a way she is becoming her mother. The reason why the color is red, or the reason why my hair is red in the film, I'm not sure if it was my idea or Gattu's idea. We'll have to ask.
Actually, it's film Kashmir is a backdrop, and Kashmir की एक बहुत खूबसूरत बात यह है कि वहाँ पे चिनार के पेड़ हैं, और एक साल में एक वक्त आता है जब सारे उसके पत्ते सारे लाल हो जाते हैं. And somewhere there's a metaphor with the chinar tree and beautiful ladies in the movie.
This hasn't been by plan or anything. They've all been different from each other in the same genre. They've been different types of films. But I would love to do different stuff, but people have to come to me with those things. And I rarely get excited by too many scripts.
Do you identify yourself as a romantic hero in the industry?
I've done 3 romantic films back to back, so I think I can call myself that for now.